Move to the top of the mat, keeping the heels, knee, hip in one single straight line. Spread your toes, pressing the base of the big toe firmly onto the floor. Feel the four corners of the foot. Pull your navel inside, keeping up spine straight. Roll your shoulders up and towards the back. Joining your palms closer to the heart. Prayer pose, pranayama, gazing towards the front. Inhale, raise both of your arms, joining your palms together. Index finger pointing towards the roof. Pull your shoulders, arching your mid-spine, lifting your chin to look up. Extended mountain pose, Urdhva Hasta Tadasana. Exhale, bend from the low back to reach the finger and palm down. Palms pressing down to the floor. If you can't reach your palms, keep the palms on your shin. Or keep the knee bent to reach the finger and palms down. Uttanasana, forward fold. Feel a stretch on the back of the thigh and your low back. Inhale, get the right foot a long way back. Drop your knee down. If you have sensitive knees, use a towel down under the knee. Keep your elbows straight, lift the chin and look to the front. Equestrian pose, Asvasanchalasana. Inhale, lift the right knee. Get your left leg back to Kumbhakasana, plank pose. Keep your elbows straight. Shoulders, hip in straight line. Exhale, drop both the knees down. Bend your elbows to melt the heart between your palms. Eightfold salutation, Ashtanga Namaskara. Inhale, fill up your lungs, rolling to half cobra with elbow bent or full cobra with straight elbows, Bhujangasana. Move the shoulders away. Lift the chin to look up to the roof. Exhale, lift the hip, lift the knee, push the hip to the roof, downward dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. If possible, press the heels down on the floor. If you find difficult, keep the knees bent. Inhale, get the right foot between the palms. Drop your left knee down. Lift the chin up. Equestrian pose, Asvasanchalasana. Exhale, get your left foot to the front. Uttanasana, forward fold. Inhale to raise both your arms. Join your palms. Pull your shoulders. Extended mountain pose, Urdhva Hasta Tadasana. Lift the chin to look above. Exhale, move the palms to the heart. Pranayama, prayer pose. Repeat on the left side. You can do 3 to 5 sets of sun salutation daily.